Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today, I'm going to show you how to install a trailer hitch in a 2014 Hyundai Santafe. It's going to be the same thing for all the third gen Hyundai Santafes. It will be from 2013 to all the way to 2018 if I'm not wrong. Well, it's actually pretty easy. First, you're gonna have to get a trailer hitch, and the trailer hitch for Santa Fe is the cart. The model number is, that's the model number, SO183U-RA. And you would also need a trailer connector kit, and these kits are really nice and they are literally plug and play. And the kit for this is right here, 56332. You will get it at amazon.ca or amazon.com. I purchased it from amazon.ca and it was $70 for me. And the trailer, I ordered it from eTrailer.com and it was about $190, but I actually didn't buy it directly. I bought it from somebody else. It is a used unit, but it was practically brand new, and I paid $100. Now let's show you the install. The installation is actually one of the simplest installation out there. So what you're gonna see is on the frame rail, there's gonna be 2 holes over here and 2 holes over there. You're just gonna have to place the hitch, slide the bolts in, and you can tighten it. Now you do have to keep in mind that there is this, it's gonna be right here. These are the bumper alignment knobs or whatever. You would need to cut this because it's usually this long. You would need to cut it just so that you have access, and you have to do it on both sides. Right over there, there's that alignment knob. Same story on that other side, just slide it in. Oh, actually, the part number for this unit is cart 13152. That is the correct part number. Please ignore the part number previously. Once you do that, before you can come to this stage, there's a rubber panel over here that you would need to remove, and you do that by removing 1, 2, 3 screws. These are plastic screws, very easy to take it off. Once you take them off, that rubber piece will drop, and you do that same thing on the other side. Here's 4 screws in this end. Once you take that off, this piece will drop. Now when you're putting it back, the driver's side piece will go back as is, but on the passenger side you would need to cut a portion off. I'm going to show that to you in a bit. Now you take that wiring harness and make sure you plug off these extra portions. So this was a connector. It was literally blocking this portion so that dirt and debris doesn't get into it. You need to unplug them. They are kind of hard to do, but they will come loose. Same story with this one. You would need to unplug it, and once it's unplugged, you're good to go. It's just click, click, click. And then you need to route the wiring to however you're liking. It did come up with a self-tapping screw. I didn't use that. I routed it differently. I don't want to make any extra holes. That's that.